Shane with Hobart Welding Products. Today we're going to take a look at the Hobart Handler 190. This is a 230 volt, 190 amp wire feed welder. Comes complete with 10-foot MIG gun, regulator, 5-foot gas hose, ground cable with heavy duty clamp, and a sample spool of flux core wire and some tips so you can weld right out of the box. Looking at the front of the Handler 190, you'll see the variable wire feed speed control, the 7 tap settings, allowing you to weld down to 24 gauge, but with enough power to weld up to 5/16 single pass mild steel. Taking a look inside the Handler 190, you'll notice the cast aluminum drive system and the quick change lever that allows you to quickly change over from flux core to solid wire. The drive roll removes easily and goes back on very simply. Also has the 8-inch spool adapter, so you can run the large spools or the small spools. And also has the spool gun, MIG gun, toggle switch, allowing you to add the Spool Runner 100 spool gun to this unit to run aluminum. Just like all Hobart wire feed welders, this unit features the quick welding chart on the back side of the door. This allows for easy setup of your machine. Just choose the material you'll be welding, the thickness of material you'll be welding, and then it will tell you exactly where to set your wire feed speed and your voltage. If you're looking to weld aluminum, then adding the Spool Runner 100 spool gun is a great option. Part number is 30796. Quickly and easily installs on this unit with no adapters needed. So that was your look at the Hobart Handler 190. This unit was proudly designed and manufactured in Troy, Ohio, USA, and backed by one of the best warranties in the business. If you're looking for a quality made, powerful machine with a warranty to back it up, give the Handler 190. Hi, this is Shane with Hobart Welding Products. Today we're going to take a look at the Hobart Handler 210 MVP. This machine will run off a 115 or 230. With 210 amps on the 230 side, this is a very powerful unit in a small compact case. Comes with a 10-foot rugged MIG gun, gas regulator with 5-foot gas hose, heavy duty ground clamp and cable, and a roll of flux core wire and extra tips so you can start welding right out of the box. As I mentioned, this machine will run off of 115 or 230. Comes with both plugs to run off of either voltage, and all you have to do is pick the appropriate plug, line up the arrows on the cable on the plug, screw it on, plug it into the input power, and the machine will automatically recognize whether it's 115 or 230. You don't have to do any switching inside the machine. Taking a look at the front of the Handler 210 MVP, you'll notice the variable speed wire feed control, 7 tap settings allowing you to fine-tune your weld down to 24 gauge steel and up to 3/8 mild steel in a single pass when you're on the 230 volt plug. Just like all Hobart wire feed welders, a quick reference guide is located on the back of the access door. This will allow you to set up your machine without any of the guesswork. Just choose the material you're welding, the thickness, and it will tell you where to set your voltage and your wire feed speed. So that was your look at the Hobart Handler 210 MVP. For welding aluminum, don't forget the Spool Runner 100 spool gun, part number 30796. It is a direct plug into this unit, no other adapters required. The Handler 210 MVP is proudly designed and manufactured in Troy, Ohio, USA, backed by the industry's best warranty. Hi, I'm Shane with Hobart Welding Products. Today we're going to take a look at the Hobart Handler 140. This is a 115 volt, 140 amp wire feed welder. Features a 10-foot MIG gun. Also comes with a heavy duty ground clamp and 10-foot cable. This unit comes with a roll of flux core wire so you can weld right out of the box, or it also includes the regulator and gas hose so you can switch over to MIG if you desire. Taking a look inside the Handler 140, you'll notice the welding setup chart that makes setting your machine up properly very easy. And if we look at the industrial grade cast aluminum drive system with quick release, that also makes changeovers very quick. It also has the polarity with easy access, so you can change from flux core to MIG very easily also. This machine, we have the small 2-pound roll-on, but you can also run the 8-inch spool, and it also comes with this adapter. Taking a look at the front of the Handler 140, you'll notice the slope control panel for easy visibility. Also features infinite control on your wire feed speed, and 5 tap settings allowing you to go down to 24 gauge steel and up to 1/4 inch steel. This machine also features a thermal overload protection light. In case this machine gets too hot, it will shut down and save the machine from any damage. You will experience excellent arc performance from the Handler 140 with a smooth, stable arc on all thicknesses. Designed and assembled in Troy, Ohio, USA, and backed by a 531 industrial warranty to protect your investment.